Hello guys, welcome back to number one YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. It's been long since I posted a video. The last video was 7 days ago. So today I have a quick update. In my Telegram group, I saw some people struggling to get a virtual Visa card site. A site whereby they can load up a virtual Visa card or a debit card and they can use it for trying free trials online, also for doing online purchases without using their original Visa cards. So this is a virtual Visa card provider, which is very nice. But before you go into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go through the videos. If you enjoy whatever you're watching, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also invite your friends to join my YouTube channel, because I'm sure if you're a beginner in doing surveys, earning online through crypto, this is the channel for you. I will be doing also how to qualify for crypto airdrops. I have a video which I'm editing about ZK Sync airdrop. But let me get straight into the video for today's session. So without wasting time, our company today, or our site today, for getting a prepaid card for doing online purchases or using the virtual Visa card for doing online trials is called Payzocard. Payzocard is a website which provides virtual Visa cards or debit cards which can be used for online purchases. But before you go even showing how it works, first of all is the issue process of registering. Just make sure you use your real country details, whichever country you are. You don't have to use a VPN for this one. Full name and address, select your country and everything, then you click register. Then you'll be prompted to verify your account through your email. They provide you a link to your email whereby you have to verify. After doing that, now you can log into your account. Since I already have already created an account, I'm just going to log in directly. I'm using my promotional email. This is a public email everybody knows in my channel. So the card looks like this. This is the dashboard, whereby you can have a main balance in the USD. You can have main balance in euro or main balance in pounds. It caters for everybody, whether in the UK or in the United States of America. So this is the dashboard. The next option is deposit. You can deposit money to load up your Payzocard, your prepaid card. You can load it manually using 3 options. First of all, you have perfect money. Just click here and follow the instruction. Then they have pay something. Deposit, the fee is 8%. Then they have cryptocurrency, and you can click here. You see they support so many cryptos. They can deposit through cryptocurrency. Let me write I want 10. Continue. Show me top. You see, if you want to load through crypto, just put the amount, click next, come to this page. So if I want to load 10 USD, they're going only to charge me a fee of 8 cents. So I'm going to pay $10 and 8 cents or 80 cents, so that I can get a value of 10. This is very affordable and everybody can, you see, and they support so many other coins and networks: Bitcoin, Litecoin, BNB coin, in so many other, Tron, Tether USDT, and so many other options. So that's the most common way, my favorite way of loading, using this option. Let me cancel since I'm not buying. Cancel. So let me go back to the deposit. As I was saying, they have 3 deposit options: perfect money, pay, then they have cryptocurrency, then they have PayPal. PayPal is straightforward. Just click deposit and it prompts you on how to go about whatever depositing money from your PayPal directly into their Payzocard website account. So if you click deposit here, as usual, the minimum is $10. And just click here. You see, so for PayPal the fee is a bit high because of the sending funds on PayPal have a fee, so they include the processing fee on their package. So you're going to send only 11.3 USD. So the fee is around $1.03. That's 1.3 to get $10. So just enter your details, click submit, then it prompts you to connect your PayPal, and then you'll be debited from your PayPal. So those are the three major main way of loading Payzocard. And the reason even I decided to do a review about this site is because you can load the card using cryptocurrency. Once you load your card, once you load your Payzocard, yes, the amount is going to appear here. Now you can use this amount to purchase the cards that you want. So after you load your account here, come to buy card here. Buy card. You can buy cards now. You can buy a reloadable card. You can whereby it's automatic. Whatever you deposit on your account, Payzo account, is called the reloadable card, and you'll be having your details here. Then they have another card called one-time card. One-time card is the one you want just use once for your purchase online. So you can see that the $5 and the $15 one-time virtual Visa prepaid card is out of stock, but you can request other. You can just come here and request any card amount. And this feature, the request card feature, is only available to those people who verify their Payzocard account using their ID. And the ID process verification is very easy. You just upload the front and the back of your ID, and then you upload the statement or any receipt for verifying your address. Yeah, any evidence like a bank statement or a utility bill. Is very easy, and the verification is instant. So just come here, select the Visa card or Mastercard, select the card, the currency you want. So many other options here. Just go through the options you need here as you're requesting your card. Remember, the request option will be available when you verify your account. So these are the various ways of getting the card. Now the card for doing your online purchases. So in case now you have so many cards, this is the management option here. All your cards you are going to appear here. See, I don't have a card, nothing is appearing here. Card statement. Here you keep a record of all the transactions you have done online using that particular card. They're just going to appear here. Exchange. For example, you want a site. Let's say you have loaded USD on your account, and you want to make an online purchase on a site which allows pounds. So just come here, put the amount you want to exchange, and click confirm, and it's going to do auto conversion, so that you can know how to use your card using this new currency. Transaction, this is obvious. These are definitely the amount of transaction you have done. I have not done any transaction here. Yeah, that's all about it. Then there's another tab I left here about withdraw. Let's say you have loaded your Payzocard here on your dashboard, and then you have not used all the money that you have loaded on your account, and maybe you really need that money back. So there are two ways of withdrawing your money from Payzocard. One is through Perfect Money, and the other one is through the bank transfer. If you click withdraw, they'll give you prompts on what to do next after that. Then they have an option of sending money. Let's say you want to do an online purchase, but you have not loaded your Payzocard, but you contact me and I tell you that my Payzocard has some funds. I just request you to give me your Payzocard email. I put it here like that, then click continue. I insert the amount, the particular amount you have agreed I will send you, and I can easily load up your Payzocard account. And so guys, the only other important thing about this site is the verifications bit. For you to access all the features which I've showed you, you have to verify. I don't want to click here I have verification, because when it exposes my ID card, and I've used my original Kenyan ID card. So if you click verification here, you've not verified, just upload your ID front and back, statement or utility bill, and you'll be verified very instantly. Then they have a referral program. You can use the referral code here to refer people. Whenever they use your link to register, you get something in return. Then it's advisable to enable two-factor authenticator, and it's obvious it's good to have a password, new PIN. It's also advisable to have a PIN for your account. On top of your password, you should have also a PIN. So that was my short update today. I hope it will help someone who is stranded on making online purchase and doesn't want to use their local bank cards. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.